a spacious living and dining area. We have your kitchen space where you have two parallel platforms. It's the space of your master bedroom. You can see the... Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Gautam Prabhu by H. Rishabh Raj located in Borivali West, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel where you can see the tower's construction is in full swing. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And talking about the overview of the project, this project is located on 0.22 acres of land parcel that will have one standalone tower of ground plus 15-story having spacious and premium 3 BHK residences. And talking about the amenities, this project has 10 plus amenities with gym, walking track, senior citizen zone, meditation zone, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Kalpana Chawla Chowk near Damrupan, Borivali West, from where Borivali railway station is at a distance of 5 minutes, Western Express Highway is at a distance of 10 minutes, Shimpoli metro station is at a distance of 3 minutes, and you have school, colleges, hospital within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. Now, we are standing at the spacious 3 BHK residences of the residential project Gautam Prabhu. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 834 square feet. As you can see, this over here is a spacious living and dining area. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat. You can customize your living and dining corner over here, and you can see you will be getting full French windows in your living room. You can see how spacious your living and dining is. You have plenty of walkable space. You can easily fit all your furniture that you need. Moving forward, over here we have your alley area that has entrance to your kitchen, common washroom and the bedrooms. First, on this side we have your kitchen space where you have two parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink. You can customize your lower and your upper cabinets. You can also see you have space provided to place your refrigerator and your washing machine on the corners of one of the platform. Moving forward, over here in this corner we have your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And right opposite to your common washroom is your first bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can customize this and make this your kids' bedroom or your guest bedroom. You can place your bed, customize your wardrobes. You can see you have plenty of walkable space, and again you will be getting full French windows in this bedroom. Moving forward, over here we have your second bedroom that you can see is even more spacious. You can place your bed, side tables, you can customize your wardrobe in this corner. You can see how spacious this bedroom is. Also in this corner you have a private washroom in this bedroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And again, you will be getting full French windows in this bedroom, and we are standing at the actual fat of the project, so you will be getting all the things that you can see. Now before moving to the master bedroom, let me tell you what does Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. And now let's move to the master bedroom of this spacious 3 BHK. This over here is the entrance of your master bedroom where you have a foyer area that gives your bedroom full privacy. Right in front of the entrance is a private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this over here is the space of your master bedroom. You can see the bedroom is very spacious. You can easily place your king size bed, customize your wardrobe and even make a seating corner if you wish to. And again, you will be getting full French windows in the master bedroom as well. And so this was a 3 BHK actual flat tour of the residential project Gautam Prabhu. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat tours. So everyone, this was a 3 BHK actual flat tour of the residential project Gautam Prabhu by H. Rishabh Raj located in Borivali West, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.